Welcome to Lessons in RxJS Mastering the Operators. My name is Jordan Powell, and I am a Senior Enterprise Software Engineer at Briebug. Today, we're going to talk about the RxJS operator pairwise. This combination operator may look strange at first, but to answer the obvious question, yes, pairwise deals with pairs of values, and to be more specific, it groups those pairs of consecutive values together as an array of the previous and the current value. Pairwise probably won't be the most common operator you'll use in your day-to-day, but it does provide an elegant solution for calculating the relative difference between the last emitted value and the current value in an observable stream. Let's say we have a requirement to keep track of the amount of time in between two mouse move events in our application. RxJS and pairwise make an otherwise complicated process very simple. Start by importing from event from the RxJS library and use it to keep track of document mouse move events. From here, we'll pipe into that observable stream and use the map operator to create a new timestamp on every emission. Now that we have an observable stream that creates a timestamp on every mouse move event, let's tap into that stream and log the output. Sample time helps emit the most recent values from the source observable within the specified 1000 millisecond time interval. When we add pairwise to our observable stream, we see the emitted values now come as an array of two dates, the previous time and the current time. Now we can do a little bit of basic math to calculate the difference between those two values, and just like that, we have a timestamp for the duration between the user's mouse moves. Pretty cool. Because pairwise calculates the difference between the current value and the previous value, it will not emit the first value from the source observable. It will emit pairs of values from the second source value onwards. It is a common best practice to use pairwise along with the start with operator. If you don't include the start with operator, your observable streams will not emit a value. This is because pairwise takes the current value and the previous value and emits them as an array. Without any previous value, it can't emit anything and essentially waits until the next emission, or when it has both the previous value and a current value. By using start with, you're always calculating the difference from a known starting point. I hope this brief video on the pairwise operator was both informative and enjoyable. Now get out there and start utilizing it in your observable streams. Make sure to check out some of our other lessons in RxJS. I can't wait to see you in our next video.